Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some chicken and waffles. I have some chicken wings today. I have already cleaned and washed them. And hold on, I see a feather. Let's get that going. They're washed with some salt and a little vinegar. Alright, so I'm going to show you a cheap way to fry this chicken without having to soak it in buttermilk and still get that crispy chicken. And this is what I call Shelly's lazy way of making fried chicken, guys. Alright, so for that, you're going to need some chicken. I have wings. You can use whatever one you have. I have some chipotle rub, barbecue rub. I have some Shelly's house seasoning. You can use your all-purpose seasoning or some salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. I have some some sriracha. You can use regular hot sauce. I have 2 eggs here. I have a cup of flour and a 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Alright? So, first thing, I know, not supposed to crack it in the bowl, but that's what I'm doing. I'm going to crack these eggs over top of my chicken. And we're going to rub everything in at the same time. Alright? Take the lid off of my house seasoning, and we're just going to sprinkle a generous amount of my house seasoning right in there. We're seasoning that chicken up. We got some of this seasoning that like to clump up on me, but that's alright. Generous amount of that. We're going in with my sriracha. Don't be shy, get it in there. Not gonna hurt it. Alright, so now we're just gonna mix this in here just like this and just get it all coated, because we want the chicken to have flavor, guys. We want this chicken to have plenty of flavor. Alright, I got my grease heating up like so. Oh, see, the seasoning on here smells amazing together. I'm telling you. Use your favorite grill seasoning. I have rib rub, Raybacks rib rub. You can do more than just rub ribs with it, honey. Alright. So now that you got all of that mixed in, just make sure it's mixed in, that the eggs are coating that chicken. Alright? Now we're going to go in with the cornstarch. Like that. Which helps make it nice and crispy. And go in there, mix that cornstarch through. When my kids was little, I used to do this because I had so much to do. I had to keep the house clean, run behind them, picking up toys, trying to keep them out of the living room, because, you know, living room, bathroom, and the kitchen, my mom said, had to always be clean. So, you know, running behind them, trying to do all of that stuff. And get dinner on the table, help them with homework. So now, in here with the flour. There's 1 cup of flour. Toss this in here. So I hope that this recipe helps somebody. Alright. Nice and crispy. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so off camera, I added a little more flour. Now I'm going to shake it in there, just like that. Alright, now we're going to move over to the stove and get this in. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I just wanted to add a little more flour because sometimes 1 cup don't do it. You know, especially when you got one of those big family packs of fried chicken wings, and you know, 1 cup don't do it. Sometimes it takes 2 cups. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Let's test. Just sprinkle a little flour in here, see what happens. It sizzed up immediately, so that means that it's ready to go. It did not drop to the bottom of the pot. That means that it's ready to rock and roll with us. I hope everyone out there is having a wonderful day today and not letting nonsense get to us as the days progress. Alright, I'm going in. Alright, I'll shake off that excess flour. Going in with another one. Same thing. Chicken in. So I'll fry a few of them at a time. You probably get maybe 5 or 6 in this pan. It's gonna be nice and crispy, guys. To all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time Shelly uploads these delicious, awesome recipes. And for everyone else, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I would not be here without you. Alright, so we're going to let this chicken fry up. And when we come back, I'm going to show you what they're looking like. We're going to get them in the oven and we're going to start on our waffles. Alright guys, so let's get our chicken out. This is the last batch. And this chicken is so beautiful, nice and crispy, like I promised. Look at that. Yes, honey. Delicious chicken. So now we're going to pop these chicken in the oven so it can stay warm. And you know, we're going to move over to the countertop and we're going to make those waffles, honey. We're going to make those waffles. Alright, meet me at the counter. Okay guys, so now it's time to make our waffle batter. So, in here we have 2 cups of flour, or 1/4 of a cup of sugar. We're just going to add it to that. So we need the 1/4 cup of sugar. We need a pinch of salt. A little bit, so like a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Our baking powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder. And that's it for our dry ingredients. We just mix that together. Just like that. That's our waffle. That's our dry portion of our waffles. Now we have a cup of milk here. I'm going to crack 2 eggs inside. I know I'm supposed to do it in a separate bowl. I'm not doing it because none of y'all are washing my dishes. I'm going to take my fork. We're going to beat the eggs inside of our milk. Now, you could just use some regular old pancake mix. Would work. Whatever you have, whatever you like, it's fine. And we're going to go in with some melted butter. So half a stick of melted butter. And we hit it with some vanilla, as much as you like. I'm going in with about a tablespoon, because that's what I like. There you have it. Our wet ingredients are ready to be pouring slowly about dry. Mix it all in, just like so. And just slowly mix it so we don't get flour everywhere. You can do this with a stand mixer or a hand mixer, however you feeling it. Like I said, I'm the one that's doing dishes. So this is what I'm doing. And if you feel it's too thick, just add a little more milk. I like the consistency, so we're going to go with it. Try not to mix it too much. We don't want to overmix the batter. We just want to make sure that everything is incorporated. And we're going to let it rest for a couple of minutes. And that should give us time to get our waffle iron and everything heated up. So believe it or not, batter needs to rest. Alright, look at that. Absolutely beautiful batter. Alright, so when we come back, we're going to have our waffle iron nice and hot. And we're going to start on those waffles. This should make 6 waffles. Should, but 4 at minimum. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back. It's time to make those waffles. We're going to spray. Even though it's non-stick, I still like to spray it anyway. Coming in with the batter. Try to work it into the middle. Don't put too much, but just enough. Just like that. I'm going to put our waffle iron down and flip it. When that green light comes on, that means that is ready to go. I'm going to make these waffles, and when I come back, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do next. Alright guys, so let's reveal what we have. And it's so beautiful! This is our last waffle. And unfortunately it only made 4. But that is a beautiful waffle, guys. I just been smearing butter on them as they come out. So now, let's plate this baby up so you can get to the final results and see how tasty and crispy that chicken is, how delicious, light and fluffy our waffles are. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final results, and look at that crispy chicken, like that, and those beautiful light waffles. Now I like to hit my chicken with a little hot sauce all over, just like that. That's how I like to eat it. Get in here and bang that. Look at that, moist, juicy. Oh yeah. I'm going in on waffle. Nice tender waffle too. I gotta get out of here because I'm gonna dive in. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.